Let me show you how to add a VAT column in your Excel pivot table. So as you can see over here, I have a pivot table with some items that I have for sale and the sum of each item. And I would also like to add a column over here, which represents the VAT that will get charged for each individual item in my list. So to do that, simply click on the pivot table, go to pivot table analyze, select field items and sets, and then select calculated field. Now in this wizard, name your column however you want. In my case, I'm going to add VAT. Then for the formula, make sure to keep just the equal sign in here, and then double click on your price and multiply by the value of the VAT. In my case, VAT is 21%. So I'm just adding 21% in here. And when I hit OK, watch what happens. We get a new column called sum of VAT. And this column is simply calculating 21% of the unit price for each individual item. So this is how to add a VAT column in an Excel pivot table. Let me know if this was helpful. If it was, thumbs up the video. Otherwise, if you still have issues, let me know in the comments and I'll try to help you out, and subscribe for more videos like this one.